better sit down somewhere.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and happy new year to everyone. I hope you brought the new year with family, friends, or you asleep like most of my people were, but it is what it is. Today we are making a great winter soup. I just had it the other day. It killed me crazy. We are making sweet potato, carrot, ginger soup. It just warmed my soul, and I said, you know what? My subscribers and viewers need to have a soul warm too, because it's 2018. I'm gonna stop talking. I'll be talking too long. Let's get to the video. I'm sorry. Y'all know how to do. So we're gonna take 2 cups of my favorite vegetable broth.
Bruh. 2018, better sit down somewhere. Better sit down somewhere.
While that comes to a boil, let's cut up our vegetables that we're gonna put into the soup, because you don't want to just eat broth. Half a purple onion. You can use white. I'm using what I had. I had a purple onion, so purple onion is what it is. 2 cloves of garlic. Y'all, I forgot the ginger. I had one job.
2018, better sit down somewhere.
Okay, drop this mixture into your 2 cups vegetable broth. I do have the carrots, and they're organic.
Don't you feel fancy? I do.
Because they rainbow, so I use all the colors. All of them. Am I the only one that does this? It just releases flavor in my mind. I don't know if it does it for real, but in my mind it makes me feel better. All right, let's put these bad boys into the pot. Ooh, I dropped the top in there. I don't like those. Bye. So I know you're probably saying, but where's the sweet potato, Erin? You already left the ginger. Where the sweet potato at? I already cooked them. Don't come for me. I did not send for you. Bam! So these bad boys have already been cooked. I cooked these on 365 for 1 hour, so they're already soft and ready to be dropped in. Okay, now let's add 2 more cups of water, and then we'll see this in 20 minutes. Damn it. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, so let's check on our soup concoction. No, it's soup. I don't know why I'm calling my cooking concoction. It's soup. It's soup. It's soup. Smell like baby food because we ain't put no seasoning in there yet, but it's okay. We're about to solve that right now. Carrots are fork tender, so that's good. Y'all already know. Salt. I say 2 teaspoons worth of cumin in here, okay? Gotta hit it with the paprika. I didn't miss. I got it that time. I got it. And since we don't have actual ginger, we're gonna hit it with the ground ginger. I know y'all didn't think I was gonna leave out the recipe now. It ain't that bad. No. We got it ground. It's not the same. Teaspoon. Y'all gonna have the real ginger. Ginger powder is not the same as fresh ginger. So don't do what I did, okay? So we are pretty much done, guys. At this point now we're just gonna blend. Everything is always seasoned to taste. Of course you see me season, but do what you do. Taste it. I don't like that. Add more. You can't take away. That's the thing. So just add little by little, because once you put it in there, it's in there. I'm going to turn the stove off, and then we're gonna use our immersion blender. Did I say that right? Immersion? It goes in, it emerges into the So this is my consistency. It's like a thick, sorry with the smoke, really thick. So you can definitely thin it out. I like it. Now the carrots are really blended in there. Oh yes. All right, let's plate this bad boy up. And I think what I'll do is I'll plate it up thick, and then I'll plate it up. I'm gonna add a cup of water to the stuff that's left so you guys can see the difference. Un momento. Ooh, she's Spanish. Right, here is thick bowl number 1. And I know there are still chunks in here. Like there's a chunk of, here's a chunk of carrot that the blender did not get. I don't like my soup baby food. If you do not, obviously you would keep doing the blender, or you would throw it into your food processor or your blender if you have a powerful one like a Ninja, or what's a really expensive one that I cannot afford. I'll put it right here. I'm having a brain fart because my brain and my wallet can't think that high up. But yeah, so here's the chunky one. Okay, honestly, it kind of looks the same. How dare I forget to mention y'all that I am doing Whole30. So all the videos this month will be Whole30, paleo approved, you know, no sugar, no nothing out of the package, no fake meats, all that good stuff. So I'm already on the roll with the carrot soup. It's approved. We're gonna do it. We optimistic. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. So yeah, I would just dip the Brussels sprouts in there, or just put them in there. Hot.